Hello, this video is going to walk you through how to get onto a Microsoft Teams meeting for your classes on a district computer. So there are two different ways you can find Microsoft Teams on your computer. The first way is that Microsoft Teams might be down at the bottom of your screen already. You'll see it looks like these two little blue dudes hanging out down here. If you don't have it down here, you can also find Microsoft Teams by searching for it on your computer. You would open your search bar and you simply type in Teams. You'll notice it pops up right here. We're going to go ahead and open the Microsoft Teams app. When it opens, it might open right away and have you logged in. If it doesn't, you're going to need to sign into Microsoft Teams. You'll see it already has my email in here. If it doesn't have yours, you will need to enter your student email. Remember, your student email is your student ID number at student.dmschools.org. And then your password is a password you use to sign on to your district laptop. I'm going to go ahead and click on my email. And you'll see it is signing me into my Microsoft Teams account. At this point, you will have, this is where your classes will be populated. But let's say that I need to go to my class meeting and I can't find where it's at on my Teams. You will also get invites into your student email. So I will show you how to do that and how to get to that class from your student email. So you're going to open up your browser. You can use Firefox or Google Chrome. Canvas requires that you use Google Chrome, so you might want to get in the habit of using that. You're going to go to your student email. To get to your student email, you're going to go to dmschools.org and press enter. Once you are on the DM Schools homepage, you are going to click on Students and scroll down to where you find Student Email. You will then click on Student Email and it will bring you either directly to your email or to another login page. Remember that your login is your student ID number at student.dmschools with an S at the end. If you forget the S, it won't let you in, so make sure that you're very careful with that. And then your password is the same password you use to get onto the computer, the same password you use to get onto Teams. It'll be the same password you use to get onto Canvas. It's all the same. I'm going to switch it back to my email just so that I can get in and show you your Teams meeting invite. You'll click sign in. We're going to go ahead and click yes so that it keeps me signed in. I shouldn't have to do that every single time. And now I'm in my email. You'll notice that your email is separated into two different email inboxes. We have a focused inbox and an other inbox. If you're ever looking for a Teams meeting invite and it's not in your focused inbox, make sure to click on other and see if maybe it got sent to the wrong inbox. So always check both boxes if you can't find it. We're going to scroll down. Oh, and you'll see that Miss Anders has invited me to a team meeting. I'm going to open this email. And this is what a Teams meeting email will look like. It will have the name of the meeting. It will have the date and the time, as well as a link. There's a phone number here in case your last case scenario, if you can't get on, is to call into this number. That way you can still hear and talk in the meeting. But since we're on our computer, we're just going to click this button that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. So I'm going to click that link. It's then going to ask me, my computer is essentially asking me, how do I want to open this sort of link? I'm going to say, well, I have the Microsoft Teams app. I'm going to open this link. It's then going to ask how you want to join the meeting. So if you click the video, it's going to join with a video right away. You can turn the video off so it doesn't join with that, and then the microphone will determine whether people can hear you right away or whether they don't. So we are going to join with a video, but with my microphone turned off. That way, if class is already started, I won't accidentally be making lots of noise when the class starts. At this point in time, I'm then going to click Join Now. And you will see that I am in the meeting. It's telling me, so Teams is really smart. It can see that my mouth is moving, but it's going to tell me that my microphone is muted. So if I'm trying to talk to the teacher, it will tell me that I can't, or that they can't see me. If I click up here, I can see a chat where I've got the meeting chat going on in here, and I can just go ahead and type in hello. Hello, and you'll see Miss Anders is here ready for class.